Hi there and welcome to this knowledge tutorial looking at question 1, paper 1, Western Front. This is probably going to be one of the shortest of the knowledge tutorials, mainly because it's a 4-marker. So here we've got a describe 2 key features, and I've decided to make it a bit more challenging and focus on just one aspect of the evacuation route, the regimental aid post. We do have a vodcast on the whole evacuation route, so if you watch that, I'll put the link in the description. 4 marks, 6 minutes. As you can see, the target is really obvious. It is knowledge of the key features. Basically, what do you know? So it says here, mark scheme, award 1 mark for each valid feature. So that's the first point, up to 2 features, and the second mark is awarded for supporting information. So basically, this is marked out of 2 and this is marked out of 2. So here we've got one key feature of the evacuation route was the regimental aid post, that it was near the front line. It was often located after the front line trench in a dugout or an abandoned building. It's about 100 metres behind the front line. Another key feature of the regimental aid post was that it did little treatment for the wounded. This is shown by the fact it only had one doctor and the other men were orderlies to support the doctor in moving the wounded down the line. So if we have a look at this, here we've got our point, and now we've got our evidence. We do that twice over. So this would get 4 marks. Specific detail has been used to support the initial point, i.e. regimental aid post. It was near the front line. I could have said near, but behind the front line. And I've given a detail to support that. I've said it did little treatment, and I've given a detail to support that. So this would get 4 out of 4. It's really simple. You can practice them. You could say 2 key features of a casualty clearing station, 2 key features of the trench system, even different aspects of it. You could have 2 key features of poison gas. You could have anything within the textbook. Have a look at it and think, how could I get 2 key features from this? Just practice it and remember it's point plus evidence, point plus evidence. Well, 2.5 minutes done. Thanks for listening and goodbye.